I hate that shit.
Yeah, I have to be Bastion. Just for his shield to be broken.
Do it. Do it. Fuck it.
Oh,
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
nice. We got it.
Oh, nice.
We got it. I think. Never got it.
Nice.
I think. Oh, never mind. We didn't. Yes.
Nice.
Nice one.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's
Very good.
go.
All good in the hood.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Um,
Hmm?
I might have started a ranked game.
Yeah, you did. That was a rank game.
I didn't know that.
Really? It was. Yeah, that's a rank game. Yeah. And you're still starting a rank game. If you
I know.
if you want unrated
Nah, I
epic
mean it's
matches.
fine. I was used to like playing ranked, so it's fine.
Uh,
If it's fine with you,
yeah, it's fine with me. I don't really care about my rank actually.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, let's get this one too.
It's like you need 5 wins or 15 loses, right?
5 wins for to get your rank. Yeah, 5 wins.
Or 15 loss.
I think so.
Or 10, I don't know.
Let's get that one. Yeah. Why not?
Hmm?
Oh, Dory was asking, why are you sitting behind him?
Because
Why not?
he likes to act suspicious.
What do you mean?
I mean what
I,
I mean. You like to be
oh, my other
suspicious.
hand. Here, see?
See, now
Wait,
he's
where's my...
throwing gang signs again.
Wait, which hand? Oh, this is my right hand. My left hand is also open. Oh, here. My arms is broken. Wait.
Yeah, I broke his arms.
Yeah, she did. She's the one who gave me so much Beat Saber.
Yes,
She
of
damaged my
course.
arms with Beat Saber.
I have to make sure you uh you get your
Yeah, what?
weekly
What?
workout.
My weekly workout.
Yeah.
Tim was just helping you to work out your Beat Saber arms.
Yes, 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 exactly. Thank you,
Oh.
Midori. Thank you. Yeah.
Uh, uh, uh. I'm dead, man. I mean, my arms are still okay. I mean, it kinda hurts when I move a lot, but it's okay. See? Ooh. What is my arms doing? I'm not even raising it yet. I'm scratching my nose. It works when I'm scratching my nose, but when I just like raise my arms, it works. Oh, this one's smooth. Yeah, stretching my arms. How come my other arm's not working? Dude, my... Oh wait, what? What happened? Oh.